friends, my name is Mary and I'm an educator here at the Glazer Children's Museum. Today, we will be learning how to make our very own squishy bouncy balls. Let's get started. When you hold a bouncy ball up like this, you're giving it potential energy, which is the energy possessed by a body and relative to everything else around it. But once you drop it, you give it kinetic energy, which is energy possessed by a body once it's in motion. Now let's go figure out how to make one of these ourselves. Some materials you'll need are a tablespoon of borax and a half cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of white glue, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and if you have some, food coloring. Step 1. Mix 1 tablespoon of borax with your half cup of warm water. Step 2. In a separate cup, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of white glue. Step 3. Once your glue and cornstarch is thoroughly mixed, now's the time to put in some food coloring if you have some. Step 4. Pour the glue mixture into your borax water and let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 5. Remove your blob and squish it between your hands. Then roll it into a ball. Now you have your very own homemade bouncy ball. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed making your very own bouncy ball. You can find more videos just like this at GCM at Home. Bye for now, friends.